Hey everyone! Is your car shifting hard, slipping gears, or stuck in limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0795, Pressure Control Solenoid C Malfunction, then your transmission fluid pressure isn't being regulated properly, which can lead to poor performance and even transmission failure. But don't worry, in this video, I'll explain what P0795 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components responsible for this issue so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0795? The P0795 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an issue with Pressure Control Solenoid B. The pressure control solenoids manage the hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, ensuring smooth and precise gear shifts. Symptoms of P0795 include harsh or delayed gear, shifting transmission, slipping or stuck in one gear. Check engine. Light and transmission warning light on poor acceleration and fuel economy, overheating transmission due to pressure imbalance. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0795. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0795, check these critical components. Pressure control. Solenoid B, location, inside the valve body of the transmission, usually accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure to control gear engagement and shifting smoothness. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, usually found on or near the transmission housing, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function, sends electrical signals to the solenoids to adjust pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission housing near the valve body. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the TCM and pressure control solenoids inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt solenoid operation. Common causes of P0795, faulty pressure control solenoid B. The solenoid may be stuck open or closed, preventing proper pressure regulation. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can clog solenoids and affect pressure control. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged or corroded wires between the TCM and solenoids can cause erratic shifting. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM. The module may not be sending the correct signals to the solenoids. Blocked or dirty transmission valve. Body. Dirt or debris can restrict fluid flow, causing shifting problems. Internal transmission problems. Worn clutches, bands, or other mechanical parts can lead to pressure issues. How to fix P0795. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the proper level. If dirty, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the pressure control solenoid B. Test it using a multimeter to check for proper function. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for any loose, corroded, or broken wires leading to the solenoid. Step 4. Check the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for additional error codes and reset if needed. Step 5. Inspect the valve body for clogs. Clean or replace if necessary. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. A P0795 pressure control solenoid issue can lead to serious transmission damage if ignored. Checking the solenoid, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0456, evap small leak detected. P0457, evap system leak, gas cap loose off. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.